Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6 linear equations in two variables, exercise 6.2, first main. The question is given like this: find three different solutions of each of the following equations. So here given the first question is 3x plus 4y is equals to 7. So this is the given linear equation with two variables. Now I am going to write three different solutions for this one. Solution means what, Nana? The pair of values. The pair of x comma y. The two values. Okay, na? If we substitute in the place of x and y, LHS is equals to RHS, and left hand side part is equals to RHS, right hand side part aithe, then we call the pair of values x comma y are the solution of the particular linear equation. Okay, now? So now see, I am taking if x is equals to 0. If x is equals to 0, then see, I am going to substitute in the place of x what, Nana? 0. Now 3 of 0 plus 4y is equals to 7. 3 of 0 means what, Nana? That is 0 plus 4y is equals to 7. Simply 4y is equals to 7. Then transposing 4 to RHS side. 4y is nothing but what, Nana? 4 into y. And 4 ni transpose cheste into quantity becomes what? Division quantity. So y is equals to 7 by 4. So now see clearly, x value is 0. What is the solution? The solution is the solution of x comma y. And the x value is 0 తీసుకుంటే we get what, Nana? Y value is what, Nana? 7 by 4. Okay, na? So this is one of the solution. Okay, now just now I taken x is equals to 0. Now I am taking if y is equals to 0. Okay, now then what happens? See, now in the place of y I am going to substitute, the value is 0. 3x plus 4y ante 4 of 0 plus 4 of 0 is equals to what, Nana? 7. Now 3x plus 4 into 0 means that is 0 is equals to 7. Now 3x plus 0 means that is 3x only is equals to 7. 3x means what, Nana? The product of 3 and x. So into quantity transpose into RHS side, then x is equals to 7 by 3 will come. Okay, na? The value of x is equals to what, Nana? 7 by 3. If y is equals to 0, then we can write a solution x comma y. Solution x comma y. And the x value what, Nana? That is 7 by 3, comma y value what, Nana? That is 0. So this is one of the solution. Okay, students? Now I am taking here if x is equals to 1. Okay, now this time I am taking if x is equals to 1. Okay, in the place of x and y variables place, what are the variables? X and y. So you take any integer or any real number. Okay, now so you will get the solution. Okay, that is your wish completely. So I am going to take here x is equals to 1. Then see what happen. 3 of, in the place of x I am going to write 1 plus 4y is equals to 7. Then 3 ones are 3 plus 4y is equals to 7. Then what I am doing, 3 is transposing to RHS side. LHS side ఉన్న 3 ని RHS side transpose చేస్తుంది. Then 4y is equals to 7. E plus 3 transposing to RHS side, it becomes what nana? Minus 3. Then sign another change out. Now 4y is equals to 7 minus 3 means what? That is 4. We know 4y means the product of 4 and y. Okay. So then transposing 4 to RHS side, then y is equals to 4 by 4. And into quantity becomes division quantity. 4 4 cancel అయిపోతే 1. So y is equals to what nana? 1. So therefore what is the solution? Solution x comma y is equals to the value of x is equals to 1 means the value of y is equals to what nana? 1. So these are the solution. Okay. So if we substitute the value of the any solution, just now we find out 3 solutions. Okay na? One is x and one is y. You substitute in the place of x and y, you will get LHS equals to RHS. కావాలంటే ఇది చెక్ చేద్దామా? Let us check. X value is 1 and y value is 1. So here see 3 of x value is 1 plus 4 of y value is also 1 is equals to RHS part what nana? 7. So 3 1s are 3 plus 4 1s are 4 is equals to RHS part is 7. 3 plus 4 and 7 is equals to RHS part what nana? 7. So LHS is equals to RHS. Then we can say that 1 comma 1, this is the solution of the particular linear equation with 2 variables. Okay students? Okay students, now second main, the question is given, if 0 comma a and b comma 0 are the solution of the following linear equations, find a and b. In this question, second main, given 3 questions. In that the first question is given 8x minus y is equals to 34. So this equation, this linear equation with 2 variables has 0 comma a and b comma 0. Ivi rendu kuda solution of the linear equation. So first of all I am taking here solution in case 1. Case 1, 0 comma a is a solution of 8x minus y is equals to 34. Okay, so we can take the value of x is equals to 0 and the value of y is equals to what nana? A. Now I am going to substitute these 2 values in the place of x comma x and y. Now see 8x minus y ante 8 of x means x value is 0 minus y means the value of y is a is equals to 34. Now 8 into 0, that is 0 minus a is equals to 34. Simply minus a is equals to what nana? That is equals to 34. 0 minus a ante that is minus a. So therefore we can write a is equals to minus 34. The value of a is equals to what nana? That is minus 34. Now again you see in case 2, case 2 b comma 0 is a solution of the particular linear equation with 2 variables 8x minus y is equals to 34. Okay, so we take x is equals to what nana? B, and y is equals to what nana? That is 0. Now I am going to substitute x and y values in the place of x and y. 8x means what? That is 8 of x plus lo emundi ikkada b minus y. 0. The value of y is what nana? In this case that is 0 is equals to 34. Now 8 into b what nana? That is 8b minus 0 is equals to 34. Okay, now 8b minus 0 means that is 8b only is equals to 34. We know 8b means that is the product of 8 and b. So into quantity 8 into b into quantity transpose into RHS side, it becomes what, Nana? Division quantity. So we can write b is equals to 34 by 8. Okay na? If it is possible to cancel, you can cancel, otherwise you can leave it. Okay na? So if we take 2 table, 2 4s are 2 17s are, yes, the value of b is equals to 17 by 4. Okay na students? So this is the required solution for the question. So you to take another linear equation, the second one and third one, and apply the two solutions. Okay na? You will get the particular a and b values in each case. Okay na students? So clearly we get, therefore a is equals to minus 34 and b is equals to 17 by 4. Okay na students? So this is the required answer for the question. Thank you.